Crafty Fun is a new collection from our friends at Crafter's Companion. You can see Sara Davies' photograph right there to tell you what's going on. Now, we're going to start with the papers, and you can see that they are very colorful, very fun. There are 48 sheets in this 12 by 12 pad, and you're going to get 3 each of 16 designs. So let me show them to you. And you can see that this is an all over. We're getting a little bit closer because most of them are all over patterns. You can see that has a light background. Here it is. Ooh, isn't that pretty with a yellow background? We have dots, which always go with everything. Here are a lot of crafting supplies. So you're going to see paints and glues and sewing things. So just a whole variety, including an artist palette. We have flowers, of course, and then isn't that pretty? So here it is in color, and here it is on a monochromatic tone on tone. Then we have more. So again, keeping that very playful, very colorful color palette, and more dots and stripes, as you just saw. We've got a little bit of chevrons and all over dots with multiple of colors. And there we've got some argyle and some gingham, and kind of a tile pattern with all the flowers. And then we've got more flowers. So all of that is part of this collection, but I am not done. So I'm going to leave this sitting here and then bring in the luxury glitter cardstock. Now, these are 8.5 by 11, and you're going to receive 4 colors, and you're going to get 6 sheets of each. So there is a red. So you can see it in the package, but I thought it'd be fun just to see it here. Now, this glitter does not rub off, and it works just very nicely. And you can see this kind of yellow gold. Then you have a rose, and those are the 4 colors. Okay, so that's going to be part of it. So I'm going to set these aside, and then going to go to, there's also a luxury pearl cardstock. So, and this too is 8.5 by 11, same thing, 4 colors. You're going to get 6 sheets of each one, and these are double-sided. The glitter sheets, of course, are single-sided, but these are double-sided. They are the same color on both sides. So you can see the teal, and there's also the red, same colors as in the glitter. And then you have the golden yellow, and then you have a hot pink. So those same colors, so really, really pretty. And you're getting a total of 24 each. So same thing in both of them. And there's more. So I'm gonna scoot this over just to bring these in. A whole ton of things. So let me show you. This is the trio, the hoop trio. So there are 3 of the embroidery hoops, which I just love, actually. And they are the actual size shown there, which doesn't help you, does it? That's about 3 inches, going down to a little over 1 inch. Then there is a cutting die. So these are cutting dies. This is a cutting die of a sewing machine. It also has a stamp, and then some of the kind of stitched areas that could go with the sewing machine too. So you've got the die and the stamp, works really nicely. I think this is cute, the little scissors with the broken line, you know, cut along here. Then there are a craft box, so you can see all of those dies and stamps in this particular package. There are 12 pieces, 6 of each. Then we have a Stitched with Love cutting die. So you can see the ball of yarn is doing the love with the needle at the end. Then we have Stylish Stationery. Look at that. Isn't that fun? And we have an embossing folder. So this is a border. And as you can see, and then there's another embossing folder that has just lots of words on it to use individually, or if you want to use all over. Now this measures 5 inches by 7 inches. So if you have cards like we do here at Paper Wishes that are 5 by 6.5, you can certainly cut this apart and use the pieces separately. Then we have 2 stencils. Yes, a traditional trellis, which is just a perfect Perfect. So many uses. And then we have the Going Dotty stencil that is also multi-purpose. Certainly you can use it with this collection, but you can use both of these with anything. So look at all of that. Papers, glitter, pearl cardstock, and cutting dies, stamps, and embossing folders, and stencils. Everything is here. Again, from our friends at Crafters Companion.